Hey guys, it's Brian Filk with Gear Infusion. I just wanted to show you a tool that I designed to help us put our titanium beads onto our cords. So whether you're buying the original, which has our titanium bead and the black cord, or if you're going into our custom configurator and configuring your own bead and cord color, this is the tool that we have that we're basically using to do the assembly. So what we typically do is we will go to the customer's order, we will get the cord, we'll get the bead, and then we will pinch the cord and put it on. Just makes sense, right? Until it pokes through. When it pokes through, grab it and then pull it through the rest of the way. Okay, and that's how you typically just put a bead on there. So it takes a little bit of time to do, and it does hurt your fingers if you're just packing orders and you have a bunch of them to get through, or if you're just pre-packing a bunch of just the standard ones. So what I did was I designed a tool that basically helps feed the lanyard through the bead. So what we do is we take the bead, slide it on here, and there's a piano wire that's going through the center of the bead now that goes back through here, is held down by 2 screws, and then it terminates inside a little hole down here. That's what's holding it from sliding left and right. So now what we do is we basically take our lanyard, we hang it on top, and then you pull this like that and it feeds it through, and then you basically have your lanyard that's already complete. So I'll do it again in slow motion so you can see. It's like it's slid back. Take your bead, feed your bead on to here, hang your cord on the actual thing itself, and then you take this and you slide it down. So as you slide down, you can see it stays hooked on the back, and it slides down, and then you're done. And you put it back, and it falls out. So that's the tool that I designed, and it's actually really funny how I came up with it. We have this product called Key Titan, which is a carabiner that holds your keys down here. There's a hidden bottle opener built into it, but it has these spring gates on it, and these spring gates are shaped like this. So what I did was I basically just took one and I broke it in half, and I attached a pair of pliers to it, and then I stuck the bead through it, and I hung the lanyard on the backside, and then I just pulled it through. Right? Seems to work. So that's basically what I started with, was using a piece of a product from something else that we already had and dismantling it using for this. So then I made a simple prototype, basically no handle, no anything, no chamfers, nothing fancy. And you can see a lot of the same features as this one, made it into the final version. So this has the 2 screw holes that goes in here, and I made this little rudimentary carrier that this slides in. Right, so then you take this guy, put the bead on, and you slide it, and it works. So then I upgraded it a little bit more since we were adding more features to it. And this is a new version, which now has a place for your fingers to slide, has a guide rail to keep this from turning left and right as you slide it. It has the same 2 screw holes, and now it has rails on the bottom where you can put 3 screws that will basically capture the slider, so the slider can't come off. Additionally, there's a screw stop at the end here, which I moved back and forth a couple times. And so then we got to the final version. So the final version is basically that one that you just saw, but it has a handle on the end of it, so you can hold it like this and slide it really fast. It has the exact same layout as far as the carrier, the spring, and then also the 2 screws that go down into that hole there. It has the stop screw here. And on the bottom, the only thing we did was we have these 3 bolts with washers on it, and those slide in the rails. And then the only other additional thing, since it's going on the assembly station, we put rubber feet on it, so you can put it down, and it's easier. It's elevated off the table a little bit, so you can just grab it and pick it up. So yeah, but that's it. So this is our bead slider. I'll do it one more time for you here. But yeah, we basically create these tools to make the assembly of our products go a little bit faster, and also they're just cool, you know? Just trying to innovate and make every single bit of the process a little bit more efficient. All right, this is Brian from Gear Infusion. Thank you so much. Bye.